Good morning, guys. I just thought I'd show you some of the ways around the homestead that we're dealing with our water issues. So one of the things that I'm doing here is I got this roof here, so I put some buckets under it, and now I have about 1 inch of water in each of them. So there's 3 inches of water, and I'm saving this water for watering my front garden and carrying it with my right arm, not my left. So and this is what I've been watering my garden with. When we have a really good rain, I look forward to that, and then I grab these buckets. That's really pretty. Water the garden. So I won't be able to water everything that way, but it just supplements enough that it makes a difference. All these little things make a difference. I don't throw away any water anymore. Our water from our dishes that we do by hand, that goes in the front garden, you know, just to keep things wet in between rains. So that's what we're doing here on Hedgehog's Homestead. So and it's working because things are looking pretty darn good. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So, and if you want to mix a little fertilizer in there, you can do that too, and it's just so simple and easy to do. So, better get back to work. A garden tour is coming up after I mow in there. Seems like the grass is the fastest thing that is mowing, but I wanted to show you guys my tomato suckers that are doing so good. Another bucket. So just about 3 inches of water, about it's a 5-gallon bucket, maybe 1.5 gallons. Just one rain event. So I mean, I could put a gutter on there, but I gotta watch what I'm doing lately, so. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We got these last year. So planted this from seed. Can't remember the name of it. Again, I'll probably find it and put the name on the screen. Here you guys go. This is just a quick little video today. But I wanted to let you guys know, if you're having issues with either a heavy, wafty water bill and you don't think you can water some plants, especially in the northwest where we used to live, in a rainforest area, it rained so much that I wouldn't have to water a lot, but when it got really dry, if I put out buckets, when we had a rain event, I could have saved a lot of money. And we were doing okay, so I didn't worry about it much. But it would have, just because you're doing okay financially, it doesn't mean that you don't need to conserve water. So this is just one way that you can conserve water. Collect rainwater, which is actually better because it has more nitrogen in the rainwater. And get free water for your plants. So just know that a simple roof like that, or even, getting a barrel and putting, connecting a gutter to it, can save you a lot of money. So God bless you guys. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.